Right then. Here we go. Hello and welcome to a new episode. So, as you've just seen from the opening scenes of the video, I crashed my drone. It went up and then abruptly came down. Obviously in these forests, you do tend to get a bit close to the branches. What happened was, for some unknown reason, my drone decided to go home. And here's my drone. As you can see, she's completely destroyed. Smashed all the wings off it. All the propellers off it. That propeller's non-existent. And the sad thing about this is, I know you've come for the car and the Explorers, but the sad thing about this is super low hours. I hardly ever use it, so this is quite a new drone. And there you go, that's my drone. Oh, and the gimbal's all smashed too. Right then, so let's start the video. Start the video again. Hello and welcome to a new episode. Now just push all that aside for the time being. I'll cry afterwards. Today's episode is again a permission-based visit, which is brilliant because we always love the permission-based visits, don't we? Because, you know, it's the best way to go forward. So today's episode, as you've read by the title, it's a unbelievable 2.8 injection Ford Capri barn find, and this is like real, not fake, real. Let me put this light on a second. A quick backstory on this. So basically, the car belonged to a chap who sadly passed away. So the estate and various vehicles have now been left to his daughter Amy. This car was her father's pride and joy, and I mean, you will see how well he looked after it. He looked after it exceptionally well. She's reluctantly put these vehicles, which we're about to see, up for sale, up for auction. One thing I need to quickly mention before I forget: all the vehicles are available at no reserve. So bid away, ladies and gents, and let's help put Amy's late father's vehicles back into commission. Especially this Capri, because this Capri is something. I mean, I'd love to bid on it, but I know it's going to easily hit between 10 to 15,000 and probably even more than that. So again, all the details will be below. The auctioneer is obviously Jonathan, Humbert and Ellis. So I will put the links and all the things that you need to know about these cars down below. Yes, the first thing you're going to see is the Ford Capri, 2.8 injection Ford Capri with less than 60,000 miles on the clock. This car is in an exceptional condition. That's a mouthful. I've had a lot of requests about, I feel bad about doing this, but at the end of the day, I've got to, you know, answer my audience requests. Quite a lot of you have been asking how much the donation pot is currently at. So excuse the line on my screen because I broke my phone too. So the donation PayPal pot is currently at £297.39. So I will try and do a list of all the people that's donated, but it's a long list because obviously it was a £1 donation a month. So I'm going to probably fall over now. So no, I didn't fall over. I bet you was hoping I did, wouldn't you? Again, every penny that's helped to go towards this channel is truly appreciated. So I just want to say thank you, and keep them coming so we can actually try and buy some of these cars that we find. So that's pretty much it, I think. So lastly but not least, remember that this is a no reserve auction. Everything is for sale. All the links that you need to bid are below. I just want to say thank you to Amy and I just want to say thank you, a big thank you to Amy and her family for allowing me to do this, because like I say, I want our channel to go forward with permission-based visits. It's a lot less stressful. And I also want to give a huge thanks to Jonathan and his team for allowing me to also do this. I do apologise, I'm not going to talk any longer. We're going to get to the location and let you see what I've seen. I've never really done a one car feature on this channel, so what we're going to do, we're going to feature the tractors that are here as well, and also there's 2 combine harvesters. We'll have a look at that momentarily. What we'll do now is we'll do the reveal of the Ford BARNFIND Capri. two owner from new Ford Capri with super low mileage. And also, if you haven't already noticed, pepper pot alloys. First of all, without us taking the cover off, we're going to go and just get a bit of an idea of it. Now, let's have a look up here. So you can see that it's been waxy oiled. It's very clean under there. These pepper pot alloys are in amazing condition. You can tell it's been looked after. The normal places where they rot doesn't seem to have rotted, which is always good. Oh, the old knees. Really good underneath this arch as well. You'd think this car was driven recently with the dirt. Twin exhausts, being the 2.8. It doesn't look bad at all underneath. Look at that, ladies and gents. Capri 2.8 injection. Right then, here we go. First of all, we'll have a look at this colour, because this colour is... Oh. So I'm not too sure what colour it is, but I think it might be a cyan blue metallic. Unfortunately, this wing has had a bit of a colour change, to say the least. It's not exactly the same colour as the original colour, but you know, like I said, I've never really done one car barn find, so this is my first. So if it does well, then I know that I don't have to stress myself out so much by finding several cars to do one video. So it would appear that this hasn't always had a cover on. It's due to the bird poop. But overall, she is absolutely fantastic on the outside and absolutely iconic, apart from this wing. 2.8 injection Ford Capri with pepper pots. I believe that this is going to go absolutely crazy on the auction. I'm more excited, I think. So, her father, this was his pride and joy, just to establish that with everybody watching. Most men that had Capris, it was their pride and joy. You know, we've got a lot of Ford love on this channel. It speaks volumes of its former keeper. I mean, it's just in such amazing condition. It's not the most Capris that I come across, as you well know, are in a lot worse state than this. An awfully lot worse state than this. In my opinion, all this thing would need was a bit of a detail and you know, a service and a going through. I don't think this would take an awful lot to put back on the road at all. I mean, this lip as well. This lip is there's a little bit of surface rust there, but most fronts of the Capri bonnets completely rot out, but this seems to be in really good condition. Really good condition. As it's in a barn, I was expecting to see lots of chewed areas from mice and things, but there's not anything that would suggest a mouse has been living in here. I mean, that's just coming in from the top, that is. None of the wires have been chewed up. I don't know what that's for there, but none of the wires have been chewed up. So that tells me that it was regularly checked on, or mice don't like this barn. Right, let's check the interior. Oh, I'm so excited, I am. I'm sorry, ladies and gents, but I am very excited. Wow. That tartan interior. Absolutely. it's like a time capsule, it really is. So the mileage is genuine on this, 53,000, 53573, and the last trip was 7 kilometers, which obviously wasn't very far. Has the original tape player. I'm not too sure what that is. Four speed, as they all are. Roof lining looks okay. A little bit mouldy, but you know it's in a barn, so there's going to be elements of dampness here and there. Door cards seem to be in amazing condition. It's got the, it does have the cigarette lighter, so that's a good thing because most of those are gone. Most of the time they are missing. Oh god! Back seats look well sat in, so this car was obviously used a lot, exactly how they're supposed to be used. Wow. Absolutely lovely, and shuts like a dream as well. Let's go to the other side. See, I'd normally check the carpets and you know, try and lift them up and have a feel underneath, but this car's been well looked after. Underneath is solid, so and it's on good old hard standing, so not needed in my opinion, not needed at all. Whoever wins this car is going to be extremely happy in my opinion, because I'd be extremely happy if I won this car. It's an exceptional example. What can I say? It's in, well, there's got a little mark here, which is an easy fix really. Got a bit of a dent on the door there, again an easy fix. Overall, this side being the better side, there's a little bit of rust forming there, but nothing major. It's a barn find, so you have to expect these little things. So just to recap, this Capri will be available. For more information on the auction, just go to the links below and everything will be there for you. It's also on eBay. Right, then we're going to put this, what can I say, beautiful example of a Capri barn find. We're going to put it to sleep now until one lucky owner, could be you that's watching, one lucky bidder bids just enough to secure this car. So like I say, if you're interested in this car, all the links will be down below. Go check them out, and happy bidding. I just want to thank Amy and her family for allowing me to come down and record her late father's pride and joy. You know, it's not easy. This obviously means an awful lot to her and her family, and to let somebody that she's never met come down and record it and put it on social media for everybody to see takes a lot. It takes an awful lot. And also I want to thank you, Jonathan. Thank Jonathan for thinking of me and making this happen, because this is what I need for our channel. This is what I need to enable the channel to go where I want it to go, to get permission-based visits. Right, there's a few more things to look at. I'm not too sure if I'm going to use this as one video. I might not, but there's a lot of tractors to look at also that we're going to have a look at now. And there's a little Ford Escort. Sorry, there's a little Ford. Get my words out. There's a little four-door Ford. 15th take. There's a little 4-door or 5-door, depends who's watching. Ford Fiesta. It was Amy's first car, the car she learned to drive in, which is kind of cool too, so we're going to add that to the video. Right then, so I don't know if I'm going to use this Capri barn find as one video. I'm not too sure what to do yet, but I'm going to do an outro anyway. So like I say, if you're interested in bidding on this car, or bidding on anything that's here, including this tractor, the links will be down below. So Again, from me, Stokesy, thank you for watching. I really do appreciate you taking time out to watch my stuff. It's been an absolute pleasure. Remember, don't limit yourself and keep car hunting, because we need to keep finding these gems. We need to keep saving these gems and putting them back on the road, because, you know, they need to be put back on the road. They need to live and breathe again. And I'm just excited that, because you know that I'm a Ford man, I'm just excited that we've rescued this one. So again, thank you for watching, and yeah, I'll see you on the next one.